My dream is to sound like a native English speaker. But right now, this is how I sound. This is the beginning of my journey. I'm an Asian student. My parents don't speak English as their first language, and that made learning English a big challenge for me. I can read and write, but when it comes to speaking, my pronunciation and accent make me feel different. Sometimes it doesn't sound like English. I know many people feel the same way. That's why I want to share this journey, not just for me, but for anyone who struggles with speaking English confidently. So here's my challenge. From today, I'll read one English paragraph every day and upload it here. And every week, I'll share a progress videos to show how much I've improved. Step by step. I want to train my accent, my pronunciation, and my confidence until I can sound like a native speaker. I know it won't be easy. I'll make mistakes, I'll sound strange sometimes, and maybe I'll even want to quit. But I believe if I stay consistent day by day, I'll get closer to my goal. I want to prove that it is possible for everyone to improve their accent. So if you also want to improve your English speaking, follow my journey, support me, let's practice together. This is day one, and to native English speaker. Let's begin.